We're counting on convenient measuring tools more and more that can shed light on plans for every design project. When you're out there making things happen, you need one ultimate measuring equipment to complement your talent. You need MESA. What does this mean for your future of measure? It means you have instant two-dimensional scanning at your fingertips, data conceptualization on your smartphone. Welcome to the new age of compact and proficient measuring. Roll it across a surface and enjoy a fully customizable scale measuring feature that converts any scale into the units you need. With MESA's intuitive smartphone app, you can instantly get the measuring results transferred. You can draw, edit, and save unlimited drawings and data. From here, you can export your findings to any workflow. MESA is here to give you endless possibilities, high productivity, and workflow integration at its most convenient. The MESA lets you perform meticulous measuring for high-end floor plan scanning. Simply place the MESA on a surface, turning the body 360 degrees. Watch as your entire floor plan is captured and sent to your smartphone in seconds via Bluetooth. Further adding to its capabilities is the scale rolling ruler. You not only have dynamic measuring functionalities of straight lines and curves, but scale measuring made simple. For the seasoned architect, to the young product developer, to the creative DIY enthusiast, MESA is for everyone. Fitting seamlessly into your pocket and your lifestyle. The MESA has a multi-touch display with sleek aluminium alloy unibody frame for optimal performance and maximum durability. This is the ultimate measuring tool you've been looking for. MESA, the future of measure.
The TypeDuo is a 2-in-1 device unlike any other on the market. The first piece converts your Surface Type cover into a wireless keyboard. The second works as a USB-C to HDMI adapter as well as Bluetooth receiver. The TypeDuo gives you a whole new level of freedom to work and play. With the TypeDuo, you can use your Surface Pro device as a tablet connected directly to a monitor using the USB-C to HDMI adapter, while at the same time using the now wireless keyboard to enter data or take notes. Now that work is done, use the TypeDuo's USB-C to HDMI adapter to connect your phone to your TV and be the life of the party. Or just kick back and watch Netflix from your phone. The TypeDuo works with any desktop or laptop with a USB-C input. The TypeDuo lets you replace your bulky wireless keyboard and mouse with the sleek and modern Surface Type cover with a built-in trackpad. And multifunctional, the TypeDuo is the ultimate accessory for your Surface Pro and Surface Go devices. Get yours today. Now on Indiegogo. Find it at www.typeduo.com.
We are Lavalette. 2 years ago, we launched Lavalette S1, a powerful and compact water scooter. In doing so, we became the first brand in the world to develop and produce a modular underwater scooter. Now we are back with an even more versatile and entertaining water scooter, one you have never seen before. This is the Lavalette C1. Lavalette C1's compact size allows it to fit easily into a backpack. But despite its petite size, it also packs a ton of power, thanks to its highly efficient BL DC motor. Lavalette C1 has 2 speed modes, which allow you to go as slow as 1.3 meters per second or as fast as 1.6 meters per second in 20 meters underwater. The duck design is now more practical after the optimization of CFD. The motor forms a certain angle, which prevents current from splashing on the body, making it more comfortable when using. So now you can enjoy swim underwater without needing to kick your legs incessantly, which saves you energy and stay longer underwater. What's more, we created 3 different use cases for users of all ages and of all levels. Switch between classic mode, pool float mode, and kickboard mode seamlessly without any extra tools or assembly. The classic mode allows you to enjoy scuba diving, free diving, snorkeling, and more for you to discover. Kickboard mode makes it perfect for you or your family to learn how to swim, or simply just hanging at the pool. Pool float mode, meanwhile, allows you and your family to just have fun floating around in the water, giving you limitless options for water entertainment. Now, more people get to enjoy this amazing product. We present to you the water scooter that is suitable for the entire family. We kept the modularity with this new design, but made it more compact with even superior user experience. The dual motor engine is more stable and easier to operate. Its lithium battery is compliant with airline regulations. Built-in smartphone or action camera mount allows you to film your adventure anytime, anywhere. Enjoy the brand new Lavalette C1's super early bird price only in this campaign. Don't hesitate and join us now and be one of the first to enjoy Lavalette C1.
Shadows are her cover until it's time to strike. The Sex Panther is on the hunt, baby. The Sex Panther is a carbon fiber electric longboard built to perform in tough environments. Riding it is simpler than animal instinct. Just push the throttle to go and pull it back to stop. Sex Panther's body is built for speed. Its carbon fiber deck has a W concave and drop-through trucks that hug your feet and keep your weight low to the ground. It's nimble in deep turns, stable at high speeds, and always ready to pounce. Riding on dual kingpin trucks, the Sex Panther is a carving machine. It's built for those who like to turn tight. Drive motors. That gives you the best of range. It's quieter and virtually maintenance-free. The Sex Panther Pro, on the other hand, is a 2-in-1 board, meaning you get street wheels and all-terrain wheels. It runs belt drive motors, which give you more torque, better acceleration, and better hill climbing abilities. Jungle, speed, and power are king, and the Sex Panther delivers. Its powerful 3,000 watt motors can rocket you to speeds over 30 miles per hour and crush any hill in your path. An advanced 648 watt-hour lithium battery with the same cells as the Tesla Model 3 can keep you on the hunt for up to 35 miles of real-world range per charge. Your prey will never notice until it's too late, because the Sex Panther's battery is hidden inside a sleek carbon fiber deck. It's the ghost of the jungle, and nobody will know it's electric until you sneak up at 30 miles per hour. To keep it simple, grab the Sex Panther. If you want the best of the best and the off-road capabilities, go for that Sex Panther Pro. Either way, you're getting an amazing board, so reserve yours today. I promise you're going to enjoy it.
Lurking in the shadows, waiting for mass production. So reserve yours today and tell your friends, because with your support and our passion, we're going to build you a board that will change the way you think about riding forever. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see ya.